Hello, I'm Tom.
Hello, I'm Joy.
Hello, I'm Master Octopus. Let's train in the ocean.
That sounds great!
Let's go to the ocean.
Let's do the Taekwondo mission there.
1, 2, 3. Dive. Taekwondo mission in the ocean. Tom and Joy go into the ocean and start the Taekwondo training.
There are a lot of sea animals.
The ocean is beautiful.
Jellyfish, starfish, seashell, squid.
Let's find Master Octopus.
Look, a turtle is coming.
Welcome to the ocean world. I'm your guide, Mr. Turtle. Come with me.
Okay, let's go.
Uh-oh, something is coming.
It's very fast.
Ah! A shark! A shark is coming!
The shark is very scary.
Let's swim faster. Phew, now we're safe. Let's go inside the sea cave.
Tom and Joy swim into the sea cave.
There are 2 ways.
Where should we go?
It's time to start the Taekwondo mission. Go inside. Clear missions. And you can meet Master Octopus. Thank you, Mr. Turtle.
We can do it.
Good luck. This way?
Okay, let's go to the left side.
There are a lot of seashells.
They're beautiful.
A seashell door? It's locked.
Mission 1. Break the door.
We should break the seashell door.
We should punch it. Fist! 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 Open fist! Open fist! Open fist!
Fist! Fist! Open fist! Open fist!
Ha! Ha!
We can break it!
Yeah!
We did it!
There are a lot of jellyfish and starfish.
They're beautiful.
A rusty gate?
Mission 2. Open the gate.
We should break the starfish lock.
We should hammer it.
Whoa. Hammer fist! Hammer fist! Hammer fist!
Hammer fist! Hammer fist!
Ha!
Ha!
We can break it!
Yeah! We did it!
Squid ink bubbles!
It's too dark.
The squids are shooting their ink.
Mission 3. Pop the bubbles.
We should pop the squid ink bubbles.
We should strike the bubbles. Whoop. Cross! Back fist! Cross! Back fist! Cross! Back fist!
Cross! Back fist! Cross! Back fist!
Ha! Ha!
We can pop them all.
Yeah!
We did it!
Tom and Joy go deep inside.
There is too much seaweed.
The seaweed is big and tall.
Mission 4. Cut the seaweed.
We should slice the seaweed. Food. Knife hand. Knife hand. Knife hand.
Knife hand! Knife hand! Ha! Ha! We can cut them
Finally, Tom and Joy find the Octopus Taekwondo Center. Mission 5. Unlock the door.
We should put our fingertips into the doorknobs.
We can unlock the door.
Oof. Fingertips! Fingertips! Uh-oh.
Fingertips. Let's do it together.
All right.
Fingertips. Yeah, we did it. Hello, Master Octopus.
Welcome to my Taekwondo Center. Well done, guys. You cleared all the missions. This is the final mission. Break the boards with your Taekwondo hand skills.
Yes, Master Octopus.
I'll go first. Fist, fist. Open fist, open fist. Hammer fist, hammer fist. Cross, back fist. Knife hand, knife hand. Fingertips, fingertips.
Excellent, Tom.
Thank you, Master Octopus.
Now it's my turn. Fist, fist. Open fist, open fist. Hammer fist, hammer fist. Cross, back fist. Knife hand, knife hand. Fingertips, fingertips.
Excellent, Joy.
Thank you, Master Octopus. Yeah, we did it.
The ocean was fantastic.
Now we're little masters.